What is up, people of RTM? RAPTOREUM here again. So before starting the video, I'd like to say thanks to all the people who had donated me to my RAPTOREUM address, because this video wouldn't be possible without you guys. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you guys. So if you want to support this channel, go to the description below and donate. Thanks again. I really appreciate you guys. So today's game is called Moonbird. Moonbird, created by RAPTOREUM. Get ready, go, fucking go. Yeah, so I'm trying to do my best here. I'm gonna try to make my record. I'll try to beat my record for you guys. My record is 32. Fuck! 19. So let's try again, guys. Yo, this fucking game is fucking great, you know. This is the background from my song with viral. Fucking gorgeous, fucking great, you know. And even though they kicked me out from the RAPTOREUM Discord for the last video, I'm still here, you know, and I'm trying to beat my record for you guys. So let's fucking give a fucking thumb up to this video. But if you didn't give me, oh, the game is broken, reload the page. I'll never get this video finished. I'm gonna guys, if I do it, whoa, 12, 13, 14, 15, damn crap, 16, 17, 18. Guys, you have to donate to my RAPTOREUM wallet in the description below. 21, 22, come on, 24, 25, 26, 27, let's fucking go, man, let's fucking go. 13, woo! 13 is fucking 13. I mean, this is not my record, guys. This is, guys, I just got 32, and my record is 32 in my other laptop, so I need to break the fucking record, you know. So I'm gonna have to get more than 32. Damn.
2 hours later.
Fuck! Yo, I think this song got you guys like crazy, so I'm gonna put another song. I'm gonna play another song. Let's go, guys! Let's fucking go! Today's the day when I break my fucking record in Moonbird. So Moonbird, RAPTOREUM's game. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's do it. I'll do it for you guys. I won't do it for fucking Charlie or fucking Big Piggy. Oof.